You are looking live at Pudong Shanghai International Airport.
Yep, first place. Not too bad for a farm boy.
Oh yeah? Well, first place is for losers.
Can it, moron.
Ow!
Now listen up. It's time to make yourselves useful.
What happened to you?
That song. It flipped the switch.
My little monster. Come here.
She is like a jaguar now.
Oh, my little perrito.
This is our sixth and longest leg. These racers will need to follow their GPS antennas because there's a big ocean between here and Mexico.
My antenna! Oh, no. No, no, no! What am I gonna do? No coordinates. 23 minutes. 49. Hawaii, are you there? Do you read? I am low on fuel. Oh, no!
Oh boy.